Linturi na muyumbe wa Kawira Mwangaza yegie mathomo kana maratathi ya mathomo imanto ethirite ninde yakioneka ndene ya koti ntuku yeruare Magamba Mithika igethira ninde rikita wa rutha thitana nusu na rira Kawira Mwangaza rikethira rikita wa thainyanya na nusu.
Thenya NARUA bakinyite kotine ya MERU nikinda gucokia gambari abathitangi nontu maratathi jao ya kithomo aria mubunge wa Kawira Mwangaza amna seneta wa MERU Mithika Linturi igambari ao riambitie bari amwe indi rethorike athuranwa nyuma ya mwakiri bari Linturi kuga batinekeri maratathi jaja igambari ri.
I thought that council just serve us because we don't have I'm not going to be frustrated that they just come with the paper. They proceed. We have not been served. Given that she's here, in our president, she's not served. We cannot be like.
Let the application be served for hearing directions at 2:30 p.m. We will not rule on that matter. We'll deal with it at 2:30 when there is a proper service. Let it be served in person.
Aje gambara Kawira Mwangaza rietana mbere mwakiri ba ABC brenya mpoka igambene riri bauga bae wekanyega ntuku ithatu kucokia macioko jao wakirwa Kawira Mwangaza ageregana no ntububu nyuma ya kuga baba biri gucokia maratathi Jumamosi na gamba riri ribiri kugitwa RUUJU mugambithania ndwari murethi kiwa ndwangi ithurano na mianka ithuro igita ripoti ya muthenya RUUJU thainya na RUUJU thainyanya akethwa akeja na mwerekera ure gamba riri getana mbere.
I have to give a chance for IEBC to make whatever position IEBC wishes to do. Ms. Wangui, I cannot allow you to have 3 days as you have requested. I would have to ask that you file whatever response you want to make between now and 10 o'clock tomorrow. So, Ms. IEBC, please put in your response. If it's an application for transfer to CJ or in response to this, put it in by tomorrow morning at 10. Serve onto everyone. Then I will hear the application, the preliminary objection, the application by IEBC tomorrow at noon. I will give you a decision thereafter at 2:30.
Ojo ni wakiri maranya wa ura wikite gambara Kawira Mwangaza.
Iro thasana nusu iyo tugeta kwa Magamba rwende litera mbaru ari on IBC barombere time weta ku file their document give establish ura petition agwa indeed maratazi ya Kawira nayo te maratazi ya uma tena barwa kuma ke chikurura gwa ne athomerete ekiwa tutona muntu era register ku register ura tutamona tuko graduation graduate.
Amana bubu igambara senda Mithika Linturi dasokwa riko benyanya aja kuringana mawakiri Linturi bagwa igambara riri ritibati kuthikirwo ni koti iji no ntwigambo tariri ni riathikiri kairi ni koti ingi na riagitwa.
The threshold set out in the case. Yes. In any event, my lord, from the authorities shared with you. This is not the first time this type of CEO has arisen before the court. In fact, we can't count how many times these people.
So you are saying that the senator has been senator for the last so long, and therefore he must have been qualified?
Yes, according to the decision, we claim he was qualified because the matter was raised before Justice Odunga, and 3 cases were in his favor.
And the applicant, who is a voter in MERU County, should have known.
Tukoja na koti ego tuthikira ura tupinga tukauga mantu ya jaretete kotini te mantu ya kureta kotini jaburi kwa IBC nonto eje imakosa I dispute ye mantu ja nomination na koti ututhikira ne kuga RUUJU thasta nusu iria kaeja na muamuzi bwayo kwa wito kwira antu betere na bakaethwa bena shaka yote koti ekamwa boga kuringana wa kesi yata
mbugambithania ndwani murethi auga untu bubu bukagitwa RUUJU thitana nusu.
One cannot be ruled on before the other. Before the arguments are online. So as soon as, or in the course of hearing of the other matter, I'll give a decision. No, 12:30, 1230 of tomorrow is the 3rd of June.
Ojo ni wakili wa Muringi Kura Ben urawikiti gambara Linturi riko.
Sasa baada ya kesho koti ikitoa uamuzi ndio tutajua kama itaendelea hapa ama itapelekwa kwa IEBC ama Nairobi. Manake pia kuna ile directive ilitolewa na Chief Justice kuwa matters kama hizi za eligibility zisikizwe na 3 judge bench. So uamuzi huo unaweza fanyika kesho depending na vile koti itaamua.
Bogotigero nandi ni kuona mukondo jura koti kajuke ruuju na kethira Linturi na Kawira bakauna gicoki giki kana gaika bagwata. Ngiripotera BARUGA TV Mbeta Muthuri Muriuki.